Not surprised you're in here, but I'm surprised you found me in a Hilton Hotel this time in Altamonte Springs in Orlando, Florida. And it's not a Marriott, so I don't have a status, but they did put me in a corner room. There's the 6th and 7th floor that I don't have access to, but when I get my status up, we'll definitely take a tour. So let's check it out. So for this travel secret, I want to unbox a gift I got from Marriott Bonvoy program. In here, it looks like we got a thank you letter from the senior vice president of Marriott, and it explains some of the benefits of being a Bonvoy ambassador elite. Another thank you letter, and it explains that this is a laptop case. In here, I believe that they're pens and a removable zipper pouch. It's leather-like, it's nice quality. I'm not mad at it. I don't know if I'll use it. But here's your Ambassador Elite free gift. And remember, whatever you do, don't subscribe because I don't want anyone knowing our secrets.